So, hi everyone. Welcome again to my channel. It's me again and from another vlog. So, for today's vlog, I'm going to be telling you about this most awaited series of TFETP application. If you are new to this channel, you can like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates. Well, from our last video, I posted the filing of my visa and then I got it last September 11th. After you get your visa, you need to file for, you need to make your account at DMW e-registration. So I'm gonna be telling you about it on my next video, but for now I'll be focusing on the filing of phase 1. So what are the requirements? So let's get started. We're gonna type DMW e-registration and then click this e-registration DMW. If you don't have an account, I'm gonna teach you on my next video. But for now, let's click the let's go. And I'm gonna put here the email address that I signed up or register with. And then next, and then your password, and then log in. After that, you should put your profile picture, passport here, and we're gonna click the direct hire application at the upper right part of the screen. And then as you can see, we have here my application guide, documentary, etc. So this will be your status. So for me, I am currently for approval for I think 2 days now. And if you view this, yeah, it will be like this. So you're gonna start with uploading with the requirements. So what will be the requirements? I'm gonna show you the requirement. Okay, so we are here now in the requirements, or like what are the requirements that you need to upload in that phase 1 application or filing. So this is from our group. Shout out to my wonderful teachers. Thank you so much for this. So so let's start with your passport. So your passport should have the validity of not less than 1 year. So 1 year and so on and so forth. For example, 2 years, or yung akin kasi, I think madami pang year bago ma-expire. 6, 7, or 8 years. Kasi di ba 10 years na yung passport. Next is we should upload also our valid working visa. Yung nakuha natin sa TECO. Yung tinuro ko sa inyo para makuha sa TECO. Yung work permit natin na isinubmit natin sa TECO. Employment contract. So, lahat ng sinubmit sa inyo or pinadala sa inyo through DHL, lahat ng iyon ay nasa isang PDF. Ito ay per PDF ha. Unang PDF, passport, valid work permit, work visa, work permit, employment contract. So, ito yung dapat verified ni Philippine Overseas Labor Office or POLO, authenticated by Philippine Embassy, apostilled with POLO. So, wala na kayong alamin dyan. Basta galing na sa employer nyo, okay na yan. May mga tatak na. Itong company profile business license, ito, yun yung nakalagay din doon sa pinadala ni employer sa inyo. Nakalagay naman doon, license ng school, registration ng employer, anong pangalan ng school, kailan itinayo, yung para siyang pa-landscape. Tapos madami siyang box. Makikita ninyo doon yung year na itinayo siya, tapos ilan yung estudyante, yun. Tapos kasama na dun yung ID ng ating employer, yung may picture sa ID, tapos may perma niya. Or yung stamp na red. Yun yung pinaka-perma. Tapos, follow endorsement letter. Ito po yung nasa unahang bahagi ng pinadala ni employer sa DHL. Follow endorsement letter. And additional documents to support job application. So, sa additional document section, dun po ninyo ilalagay yung COE. If yung COE mo, ma'am, kung ikaw ay FET, may COE ka, tataas yung, yun nga, napag-usapan nyo yun nung meeting ninyo ng pagperma ng kontrata. So, kung tanggap nila yung COE mo from public ka, mahirap kasing, mo yun, makredit kapag ka ikaw ay galing sa private. Yun ang problema natin dito. Next is TOR. Yun yung nilagay ko, TOR ng Masters, PRC, and Curriculum Vitae or resume ko na ipinasa ko noon kay TFETP nung nag-a-apply pa ako. Inedit ko lang kasi para updated siya. Galing siyang Canva. So, feel free to edit sa Canva. Yan, notarized statement. Ito naman, binayaran ko siya sa amin, like 100 pesos. So, meron kami sa group chat namin na binigay na template kung saan ine-edit namin yon. If you want, you can PM me sa aking social media accounts. I can give you a sample ng notarized statement. Ayun. So, kinakailangan, lahat ng ito is, yung inyong ipapasa is original. Bawal ang, black and white. Although scanned copy, soft copy siya, na hope you enjoy this video and I hope you learn something from this video. And walang susuko kapatir, kayang-kaya yan. God bless everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Goodbye!